Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. I want to say thank y'all for joining me for today's Crafty Vision segment. Okay, so today I'm going to show y'all how I take these little turtles and I turn them into button turtle earrings, okay? So let's go over what I have here. Please make sure you like, comment, thumbs up, and share this video out because sharing is caring, okay? And this is the kit that I did a video on last week that I told y'all I was going to come and show y'all how to make a pair of earrings, okay? You can find this kit at Michael's. Walmart used to sell kits like this, but I don't see them anymore. They still may, but I don't see them in the store. I've never purchased anything like this from Hobby Lobby, so I'm not quite sure if Hobby Lobby has anything like this, but I'm sure they do. But I got this from Michael's, okay? As far as Joann's Fabrics, I'm not sure, but I'm sure they do, okay? Michael's is where I got this from. So you're going to need some craft cover buttons, some Gorilla Glue, and this video is beginners friendly. You're going to need your choice of fabric, and this is the piece that I'm going to be using. I cut this from a piece of African print fabric, and of course I got my turtles, and this is pretty much a standard size button. If I'm not mistaken, this was probably about maybe 20 inches or 20 mm or something like that. Of course, you gotta have your pieces. This is the other piece. And this right here is really important because this allows you to cut out the circle perfectly and always also fit it. Okay, and we're gonna go through all of that. Of course, I have my marker, I have my scissors, I have a paintbrush. This is the paint that I'm going to be painting my turtles. Okay, you're going to need some post backs, and you can get these from Amazon.com. Okay, you probably can find them out of Hobby Lobby too, but I've never seen these in Michael's or Joann Fabrics. I got these from Amazon.com. You will need a piece of felt, okay? This is very, very important. This part of it is very important, and I'm going to be also using my handy dandy glue gun. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that I want to do is I want to paint my turtles. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I will be back. Okay, everyone. So basically what I did was I used one coat of this matte acrylic paint. Now, by this being matte acrylic, I still needed to put a coat of this Mod Podge on there. So this is what I did. I have also glued on my my post back, and I have a gem that I put on my little turtle in the front of it. And I'm going to show y'all the gems. The gems I purchased from, I'm thinking I got these from Michael's some time ago. And you get, I don't know how many you get in here because it doesn't really say, but you get quite a few. And like I said, I purchased these some time ago. You get them in silver, then you get them in like a black. And yeah, okay. And these are called Risen Gems. So these, I guess these are made from resin. So as you can see, I already have them on just to give my earring a little dress up. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I put both of my fabrics together. I actually cut that piece in half and I put them both together, and I'm going to come here and trace this. So I'm going to trace it right here. All right, I'm going to take my marker and I'm just going to trace it around in a circle. And these earrings required me to do so much to them that I did not really want it. It wouldn't have been enough time for me to walk y'all through each and every last one of these steps, only because it's, you know, it takes time when you are making and creating and videotaping it at the same time. So this is the last step right here. And what I use to glue on these, okay, is the Gorillas glue. So I glued the gem down and I glued the finding, okay, this on the back. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, since I traced this, I'm going to cut this out. And I always cut on the inside of my circle. So let me just, to make sure it stays even. And I always go on the inside of my circle. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. And the reason why I say it doesn't have to be perfect, because you're not going to see any of the rigid, you know, you see me cutting this, but you're not going to see the uneven parts, okay? Because it's all going to be down inside. All right, so both pieces are pretty much the same size. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these pieces right here and this, and I'm going to take my the top part of my button, and this is going to be the back. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our circle and we're going to take this piece. All right, and y'all make sure you go and get this kit, okay, because this kit has this in it. It has everything you need, okay? The kits that I purchased from Walmart never had this. It never had this, okay? So go get this from Michael's or order it online and make sure that the kit comes with this. So, okay, so basically what we want to do now is we're going to take and place our fabric over top of this right here. And I want to try to get these three in the middle. That's my goal. So I'm going to take this and place it just like this. Okay. Actually moving it around just like that. And then I'm going to take, this is the top part of your button. This is going to go in the back. So I'm going to take this and place it just like that and push it right down in that hole like that. Once I place it down, I'm going to go in and bring all of that extra fabric down. Okay, that's going to be inside. All right, now you're going to take this piece here and you're going to place it with this side up. That's going to be, this is the side that's going to go down. Okay, so you're going to place it like this, and then you're going to take your blue piece right here, which is this. You're going to place this part down like that. So this should be up at the top. All right, and you're going to take it and place it over and listen for a sound. You hear that? When you hear that pop, then that's when you know that it is in. Okay, it's in. The finish is nice. See, it's in. And this is what we have. Now, I wanted it to be, the yellow to be in the middle a little bit more. But actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my turtle like this. So let's do this one. So we got to pretty much have this one the same, pretty much the same way. Or you want to try to get it to be the same way as this. Okay, and that's really pretty. So we're going to take and do just what we did the last time. Put it on our fabric. We're going to take this piece right here, place it here, and we're going to push it in just like that. And I'm going to flip it and actually see what's what. So that's pretty close. Okay, once I take it out, I'll be able to really see. Okay, so here we have this. We're going to push all of this down in here as much as we can. Okay, then I'm going to take this piece, and this is going to go right here. And then we're going to listen for a pop. Hear that? So once you hear that pop, that's when you'll know that it is in. And then you just pop it out. And there's your button. Okay.
Whoa. Wow.
See how that worked?
Yeah.
So this is what you're going to have. So what you want to do next is you're going to take and cut 2 pieces of felt. And you want to cut your felt, because your felt is going to go down on the inside of this, because these are going to be like that. That's going to be your design. So I'm going to cut this in a circle, just like this. And I'm going to take my glue gun to glue it inside. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. It's going to go just like this. Now that's a little too big, so I'm just going to cut around it just a little more like this. I don't want to cut it too small. I don't want it to be too big or too small. So that's about it right there. Okay, and all you want to do now is you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to put a generous amount of this in here, just like this. Okay. And then you're going to take this and place it down in there, just like that. And squeeze it to make sure it's down in there. And this is just to cover the back. so nothing is open. This is why I hate working with the glue gun, because that glue just really get attached to you. I was going to say attracted to you. All right. So now we just snip that right there. And this is what you are going to have. All right, so that's going to be the back. And this is going to be the front. And we're going to do this one the same exact way. So we're going to take and put a generous amount of glue in here. I'm going to use too much because it'll be running everywhere, just like that. All right. So there we have it. It's in there. Now, the one thing I am going to say about this is that when you take a piece of felt and you put the glue on it from the glue gun, you don't have to worry about this coming off. The only way that this will come off is if someone rips it off, okay? This really, this felt really adheres to the glue, okay? And the very last thing we're going to do, look at that, turtle earrings. We're going to take, and I'm going to put a generous amount, just like this, right in the middle of this, like that, and place my turtle, or place it on my turtle with the yellow side up, like this. And there you go. Okay. And you have yourself something different, something unique, and this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do this one here. Oh man, I'm running out of glue. I would run out of glue now. Nope. I had something right on the side of me. Keep it going. Yep, and then take this and place it just like that. And there you have it. You have yourself a really cute pair of turtle button earrings. And these are different. These are unique. And if I did not tell y'all, I purchased these turtles, of course, from the Dollar Tree. Now, you could probably find these online. And I don't even know how many you get in here, but you get quite a few. But y'all go make plenty. All right. All right, and there you have it. And this is something different and it's unique. And I want to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for this here how to make video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, because sharing is caring, and subscribe to the platform if you have not done so yet. Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. And this is the back. And until my next upload, everyone, peace and blessings. See ya.